The koala is eating eucalyptus plants.
That was the one that we read earlier.
Talaga pala nila.
If you want to adopt them, you need to do an application form so that you can adopt the koalas. There's one over there. Let's have a look. Do you want to take a picture again in there, Zoe?
Paano mo ako rito? The koala. Ito. Talaga pala nilang nilagay na ganon. You want to put your face there? This is the Koala Hospital here in Port Macquarie.